I've been wondering how a budget phone can be this slim, just 6.49 millimeters and with a curved display. It's even lighter than the Galaxy S25 Edge yet, with a bigger battery. This is the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. It's officially the first device to rock MediaTek's new Helio G200 processor. Lots of AI, wireless charging, super bright high-res display, and more. So let's talk unboxing experience. The Spark 40 Pro Plus comes in Tecno's usual packaging. Inside, you get a white box, which has few accessories. Let's put it aside. Then you get the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus itself. Let's put it aside and check this white box inside this. You get a screen protector, a Qualcomm sticker, and 12 plus 1 month's warranty card in this white case. Then you get a Type A to Type C cable with 45 watt fast charger. And I also get a 30 watt wireless magnetic charger. So let's also unbox this inside. You get a wireless charger from Tecno, and yes, it's Type C wireless charger, and the case that is provided inside is a solid silicone case. This is probably the most protective case I've seen on a Tecno phone in a while. It covers the sides completely, even slightly creeping over the curved display, and it's padded enough so the screen doesn't touch the surface when placed face down. And yes, the magnetic ring in the case is there, because this Spark supports wireless charging, the first in the Spark series, correct me if I'm wrong. In terms of looks, you'll agree, the Spark 40 Pro Plus is as premium as a budget phone can get. Not just good to look at, but it feels premium in hand too. And it's impressively lightweight, despite packing a 5,200 milliamp hour battery. It really is lighter than Samsung's ultra-thin S25 Edge. It's 161 gram, while the S25 Edge is 163 gram. Pretty light. As for colors, you get Nebula Black, Aurora White, Tundra Green, and Moon Titanium, which is what I'm holding here. All colors have a matte finish, except the Tundra Green, which I believe has a leather vibe. The back panel feels plastic, and the camera bump has a metallic feel, and the matte finish keeps smudges away. Tecno boasts of its durability, saying it can withstand drops from 2 meters. Although in the fine print, they snuck in that this level of drop resistance is with the case attached to the phone. So you might want to keep that in mind before you go doing extreme durability tests. There's also IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. Tecno went big on the display here, 6.7 8-inch 1.5K AMOLED with brightness, peaking at an impressive 4,500 nits, and in regular high brightness mode, it's around 1,600 nits, but still impressive for the 1.5K display resolution. But here's the interesting part. The resolution is actually upscaled using AI, Tecno's T1 chip. You can also play YouTube videos in 1440p though. That's 2K. We have Gorilla Glass 7i on the display. I find it interesting that it's a sleek phone, yet so durable. I'd say Tecno have come a long way overall with the quality of their devices. So, software. The Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with Android 15 and iOS 15.1.1. Tecno has not explicitly mentioned, but if we are to go by their recent commitment, we should be getting about 3 major OS upgrades. And then we have AI. Tecno brings pretty much all the AI features. This includes the DeepSeek integrated assistant Ella, Circle to Search, Call Summary, Call Translation, Smart Touch, AI Eraser 2.0, that helps in removing unwanted objects, and AI Image Extender helps in remake photo frames, and many more, which you'll find in the Tecno AI section of the Settings app. So how does all that stack up when it comes to real-world performance? Powering this phone is MediaTek's new Helio G200. For everyday tasks, no issues. It's smooth and responsive. Let's talk about its gaming performance. We run few games like COD and Asphalt 9, and in games you get consistency with high graphics, mostly at medium graphics and high frame rates. It is optimized well, so even as the Spark 40 Pro Plus is really slim, it doesn't heat up as easily as you might think. You can play at high graphics and 60 frames per second, and the performance is consistent. It does get warm while playing, but nothing unexpected. There are other interesting performance features you get with the Spark 40 Pro Plus. There is free link, basically free calls and texts with other Tecno and Infinix devices within range, like a modern walkie-talkie with a solid 500-meter range outdoors. On battery life, the Spark 40 Pro Plus comes with a 5,200 milliamp hour battery. It's likely silicon carbon given that it's slim, but Tecno did not specify. I have no complaints about battery life. It holds nicely even with heavy use. One interesting thing that makes the Spark 40 Pro Plus stand out from every other device in this price point is the 30 watt wireless and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. That is groundbreaking for a budget phone if you ask me. You can use a magnetic wireless charger if you have the case on it. For wired charging, it supports 45 watt. Now, cameras. On paper, 50 megapixel main plus 13 megapixel selfie. Yes, that's technically a drop from the Spark 30 Pro's 108 megapixel camera. But believe me, it doesn't mean worse photos. The shots come out great with good HDR and detail. Video still maxes out at 2K 30 frames per second on both cameras. Here are a few camera samples for you. hope you enjoyed the camera samples. And now, let's come to the conclusion. Is this a great phone? If you ask me, yes, absolutely. At this price point, it's honestly a fantastic deal. I'll say it again, Tecno has delivered an impressive phone in this price segment. They've packed in features that you usually don't see at this budget, and they've done it better than most competitors. So, that's my honest conclusion. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.